Oh, so the phone they have, where you say you can't get chased down?
No man, it gov man. Can't chase the bang of your butcher.
So yeah, man, so we happy. Feel like we can link ranking.
No say we not figure link him. But here our butcher. Him nah gonna know when we are link him.
Yeah, man, if you give him a surprise, man.
Butcher me rate them man there and where them do still you know. But you see from a man try after my life, it's either for me or for him.
Oh, I agree with you, you know. You know what I'm happy right now? Over Teflon. Oh, I'm going to run over 21 if in the back on the ground right now.
You know so before them man they did left and go foreign. 21 did a run alright. A scotch a fuck up a place in a butcher.
A ranking friend that, you know.
Them are elders still you know. But the truth is, ranking never to end so them a run over there still you know.
True that still. After I left over there get wild. You see, that's all the boy kettle that grew up on a move, so.
No about me to butcher. We go there with peace too, you know. Like all of them know we not deal with no war, you know. And boy I come flip up and know when police turn him over. And we man them want come blame brother.
It is. The right move, but that's the wrong time we make it. But you know what I'm happy right now. I wonder if we link Miss Brissett, I feel like she have a listen what we are saying right now, bro.
Let me tell you this. I prefer link them more than go chat the ranking person, brother. Because them prove to we most of the time, brother, where them loyalty matter. You see it? And them never go around with it. Lie me I tell.
Why? No, them must appear still, you know. You see me, know them check for we, bro, but right now, feel like we let them down. You see me? And we end up on the surface right now. And go there for you all going.
Butcher, them have to do that in them work. Because them know we're capable of. You see it? And Miss Brissett, them know want we go all out in the warrior, brother. You see me? Them still a look out for the best interest same way. You get what I say?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, say me, bro. Yeah, say, man. But last night, I hold it in the 80s. But watch on the 80s. Go and talk in for your 2 days. And make we pray over for link, brother. And over for chat.
Yeah, brother. Alright, I know me I get Gigi, you know. I like going from my daughter so long, you know, brother. I like when she dey far from me, you know, butcher. Right now, I'm really ignorant. Dark. Light my cigarette too, you know, butcher. Light up this. Boy, I feel just making Naza go and smoke the cigarette, butcher.
Boy, you're full of style, though. All I still know, bro. I want to go to the shop. You can't hold it no longer than it is. But last night, you know, brother. You see me? You look at brother out of the shop.
Brother, you go out there, make sure you look out there, you hear them, you know. But here I go on, I go fling a line, you know. I go and grab 2 swim around to the forward, yeah?
Ah, man. Push me and take it through and go through the gully, man. And put one in the head.
Underground, you mean? We alone know them road there in the butcher. To our enemy, them know it to stay, so. Just look out there, yeah, I see him. See him?
So them seriously gone on the run?
And with a high power weapon.
How much other weapons you retrieved today?
2.
Where them they get weapons in the first place?
When you say it that way, you make it sound like a weak of them. As some inner city youth where they have them things already. Them have it for protect them community.
And for the most part, them did do that. And that's why we love them.
I can't believe them two youth are being so stubborn. Especially it is.
But they expect better from especially him. Knowing the fact same have a daughter.
Bossy, where will you check today?
I check the shop, I check the studio, I check the school, and I check him yard. But no look like even Ashley did it. Like him send her away on a country or so.
You think them leave the community altogether?
I don't think so. But I wonder though, which move them are gonna make. The fact that them keep the weapons, they must have a plan.
Me mainly think say for protection though. But you know what surprised me? The fact that Mr. Mullins tell we say Ranking didn't know about it.